Why Bitcoin is dropping, what will happen to Ethereum, Solana, and also what's going on with gold. Let's cover it today in this beautiful analysis. First, few words about previous analysis. Remember, I told you that in the case of local rise, I expect a drop on BTC. And what Bitcoin did, Bitcoin did local rise. And at this moment, from 115K, Bitcoin continued dropping. Additionally, within our community, I shared this plan. You can see inside in our community, I shared this plan on BTC. It was 13th of October. What I told that I wait for a drop. My major goal was to take short at POC of this volume profile and around VWAP. Plus, we had a key resistance here. It is very high. As you can see, three major resistance were combined in one place. That's a reason why here I recommended to take short. And BTC at this moment dropping really well. The most important question, what could be the next? Before I tell you, I ask you right now to go push like and go follow me on Telegram, because you can see best updates about BTC I share with you here for free. Additionally, sometimes I do updates about other coins. As you remember, I predicted the Ripple drop when Ripple was at 295. I warn all our communities that there would be a significant drop. Sometimes I have no time to write updates on YouTube. That's why follow me on Telegram right now. Let's go back to BTC and let me explain to you why why I shared this plan about short and what I think could be the next. First, regarding why I shared this plan about short, because remember that BTC did significant rise, a really massive rise since its bottom. In 2022, BTC did more than 600% of a rise. Honestly, we had quite beautiful and quite good news during this range period. We had news about the Trump administration. We had news about ETF buying. We had so many news that the record buy on ETF, but no result. Price failed to break this range. For me, it's a signal that someone at this moment sell coins to a public, and because of that, I think BTC could create long range or even make a deep pullback. That's why for me it's not it won't be a surprise for me. Additionally, nearly every significant downtrend starts with initial sell-off, some consolidation, and only after that real sell-off happens. Can it be the same here? Initial sell-off, consolidation, and real downtrend. Can it happen right now? Yes, that's 100% possible. And for me, it won't be a surprise. That's why. That's a reason why I recommended to our community to take short around POC of this volume profile. By the way, I will add for you video lesson about what's volume profile, why that indicator is so important in description to this video. Highly advise you to watch. What about right now? Right now, my friends, for me, it's super important to see what Bitcoin will do with this Anki VWAP. Because since this bottom, you can see this VWAP and this half deviation played out as a key support. It is a dynamic support. If price lose VWAP, for me, it would be a signal that this trend is over. That's why you should always remember that. What would be for me a clear confirmation that this uptrend is over? Best confirmation it is if price pay attention to this volume profile. Pay attention to this volume profile. If price break below and fix below, what I mean by fix, start to consolidate below 103K. It is exactly 103K. It is, as you can see, a lower border of this volume, 103 to 167. If price breaks below, fix there, start consolidation, for me it is a signal that downtrend has started. Additionally, we had several attempts to break range high, and price failed to do it. That's why it would be really wise for a price to go down to take lower liquidity. That's the reason once more why I showed to our community a short signal. What about a new ideas where we can exactly take a trade? Because okay, it's a global plan where we can take a trade. That's the most important. First, we have of course an option if there would be additional retest of this key zone around 116,000. It is this local swing high. Additionally, it would be a VWAP from this swing high. In that case, if price would reach that area, I would definitely would be happy to short there, especially if that happens without taking lows. Why do you think it's important without taking lows? Write in the comments. Let's discuss it. It's this first plan. And of course, a second plan, if price breaks below, create a range. I use that range as opportunity to look for a short continue. That's my two plans. In what cases it would be possible to take long? There only one way. In what case I would take long? Only one way. It is if price at this moment reach this key support area around 102k. It is exactly the swing low. It is 101, 102k. It's approximately this area, and there would be massive absorption of open interest without a result. As you know, it is a part of my trading strategy. Most of my strategies are based on open interest. It is absorption or breakthrough or stop loss hunt. It is my three strategies that I use. And I will take long only in a case of clear absorption. Let me show to you an example how absorption looks like here on the crypto market. It is example for you like here. When price reach important key zone, create a range, you have massive rise in open interest with no result. That's example of absorption. It could be on any other coin. Example for you, maybe the greatest example, it would be this one. Price reach key area, massive volume spike, significant rise in open interest, and what happens? Beautiful opposite move. Something like that. The same with BTC, massive rise in open interest, range low was taken, opposite move. Definitely, if that would be clear absorption, I would take it. The best absorption, honestly, which I saw, it was exactly like here on Ripple. You can see 13% rise and exactly opposite move. Something like this, we definitely take long trade. Without it, I won't do it. And of course, if I will see such setup, I will share it within our community as I share this plan on BTC, as I shared before, plan on Ethereum, on BNB short, Solana short, Litecoin short before massive drop, Ripple dropped. I spoke about potential drop on Ripple ADA for so many days. And you also can receive access to such signals on daily basis, plus have a look on feedbacks of our clients, how we make money together. You can see so many clients made significant money with us. And you can be part of it. How to be part of it? Below this video there would be a special link. It would be exactly here. Open it, fill the form, write your name, email, phone number, and join our community where we share signals and trading plans that will help you make money. Let's cover additionally what I think about Ethereum and Solana. Regarding Ethereum, you need to remember that correlation between Ethereum and BTC is huge. That's a reason why I think they would follow each other as they do at this moment. That's a reason why I also shared within community this plan to short Ethereum around 42.55. What was the reason why I shared that plan? Because it is exactly this value area low plus POC of this entire range. They played out as a key resistance. And there it is the best place for a short. Right now, honestly, it's not a good place for a short because you can see price at this moment, we have new value and it is below value area low. It is not a best place. That's why my recommendation for you to take short if price retests this key zone, or if price break below, create a new range. For long, key area for long for me, it is 3,133 and 3,400. It is in this area I would look for long, also in a case of significant volume spike or in a case of clear absorption. What about Solana? Solana also, as other top coins, you can see started this downtrend. Honestly, on Solana we have it even better because we have clear lower highs and lower lows on Solana. It is a downtrend. The same here. Key area for a short would be around 210. It is the best place for a short. With a target 172 or 141. A long I will consider only in the case of reaching one of these key levels. It is 141 and also volume absorption, or 172 and also volume absorption. At this moment, my friend, I just want you to remind that at this moment, the most important priority it is to BTC, because when BTC increase volatility, altcoins follow it faster, slower, but follow it. That's why your major focus must be on BTC. And right now, a few words additionally about gold. Quite a lot of you asked me what I think about gold during this moment. What I would like to tell friends, you don't enter an instrument when you see such parabolic acceleration. Gold did massive rise, and at this moment we saw a post about a queue in Argentina and other countries where people would like to buy physical gold. Guys, it's a madness. After parabolic that's example for you why at this moment super important to pay attention to gold, because that's example for you as on a crypto market. When a crowd is talking about it, it's a time to get out. I can bet my money that within 1 month we will see drop on gold, or price will create a range for many months, as that BTC did. Example for you when it was here, if you remember, after ETF approval, if you remember, it was ETF approval exactly here. Bitcoin did this beautiful rally, and after that, Bitcoin was for 238 days or even more than 240 days in a range. I can bet that nearly the same will happen to gold. If you would like for me to record update, write in the comments. And at this moment, I prepared for you a video lesson about my strategy, where I show to you how you can use open interest for breakout, for absorption, for trend continuation. Highly advise you to watch it right now. Link is this video. Have a good day.